25th of April 2024. It looks like we have another opportunity to take ICT trade. That was the gap down. And we have just closed the gap. And to be honest, I see liquidity up to 90. 50.90. Just quickly look at SPY. SPY. There we go. So we did close this gap on SPY. Okay. Let's see how far we're gonna go. Well, they did sell into that buy side liquidity, obviously. Everything we bought here, down here, we managed to sell up here right now. Time is almost 2 p.m. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just wait till market turns around, creates fair value gap, bearish one, and I will look to short from him. That's one of the options. That this is what ICT would do. This is what he's teaching. But at the same time, I can see liquidity up to 92. That's here. And once we take that liquidity, I will get short. What's so special about 92? Yeah, 92, 92 and a half. We have a bearish fair value gap up here. Let's see if we squeeze this. So I'm gonna wait for that post video here, and I'll come back once we approach this 92 level. We are slowly pushing. So okay, so SPY closed that gap. That's good. We don't need to watch SPY anymore. Let's switch to ES. All right. ES also closed the gap. Market is pushing. I was earlier in these longs here. I closed partially here, here, and there. Making 4,480 paper trading this, obviously. As I said, I'm gonna test ICT method for a while and see how that works, as I'm a little bit tired of this momentum scalping on NQ. I want to take a little bit different approach, more like buy and hold kind of approach into my trading. Was a little bit too early here, but then managed to take some profit here and stopped out, pretty much break even, and then I re-entered. 3 contracts here. I sold one here, another one here, and another one up there. So what we're looking for right now, as we took that liquidity, Asia buy side, London buy side liquidity, we are looking for. Well, I see on bookmap that we still have a little bit of space, 87, maybe even 90, 87 and a half. Yeah, up to 90. This could be traded. So I'm gonna patiently watch this and wait. Somebody's waiting at 70 to buy that. 70 is here. All right, that's the bullish fair value gap. I want to see market to push into 90. That's pretty much that bearish fair value gap, and we can sell off that. We could place an order here. If we see it. $19.92. Well, we'll see once we get there. It is almost 2 o'clock New York. We might have to wait a little bit longer for that. This market is distributing here. We might get a pull down here even to 70, and then we're gonna push. Okay, so let's just pause this video and wait. As I do have a tendency to get a little bit too early. This time I will wait, because when I'm thinking what this can do, we might get something like that. Drop, and then come up and take this level. And after that we will drop here into the close. So that's one of the scenario. We'll create somewhere here a fair value gap. It doesn't look like a gap, alright, it looks like a G. Fair value gap somewhere here. Will start to fall. That's the level that I would be interested to close my first partial. And then obviously this level. And the final will be the bottom. If we get there, obviously. Market is already falling after we took that top. There's always this dilemma. Should I get in here and basically take a scalp? Yeah. This level, yeah, this level will be traded, but we might go down to 70. That's 10 points to the downside. 10 points. Well, let's look if we see fair value gap somewhere here. I don't see anything on one. How about 1 minute? All right, we just created one here. We have just created one here. Let's see if we can even trade into it. I'll try to grab that. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for a little bit more of that rotation. Basically, sell immediately once if you want to scalp, sell immediately once this level is taken. We took 82, 86, 4 points. Beautiful. You can have a scalp. Let's say 85 to 80. That's 5 points. That's it. Well, it is pulling into this fair value gap. Let's see if they're gonna use this. Yeah, let's try. Let's try if ICT concept's gonna work. My target is 70. Basically below this, into this fair value gap, pretty much. Stop loss has to be above. It's just a quick scalp really, because I still expect the market to come back, push higher. This level 50, 70 is interesting. They want to buy here, and the market will be drawn into this liquidity. And I will be taking partials on the way down. That is a kind of scalp, premature scalp. I still expect market to go into this 1590, but I think before that we're going to go to 70. So once we break that, starts to fall, I will be taking some partials. First one here. Maybe here, into this fair value gaps. Yeah, somewhere here. 77, 75. Oops, what happened with my order? Okay, we are taking this fair value gap now. As I expected, we might do that. What's this? Not good. We have created bullish fair value gap now. So that means that I have to get out from this fair value gap that we had here has been invalidated. And we're gonna push into this 1590. Let's take that loss once we get back into this fair value gap. It's gonna be minus 100. Let's see, maybe we'll get out free from the trade. That was one leg down. We could get a second leg down. Alright, let's wait. Because this might actually produce another leg down. That means we're gonna close somewhere here. We have to take that fair value gap here. Let's see on 2 we got a bullish one. On 3 minutes we have as well fair value gap, so that's not good. On 5 minutes, nothing on 5 minutes. So 3 minutes and 2 and 1 is actually showing us bullish fair value gap. Let's see if we're gonna go for it, or we just bounce off it and they will buy. We're gonna push high. I think we're gonna push high. If so, I will close that trade. Alright, going into value. So I'm taking a little loss. Reason for this, on the 1 minute fair value gap didn't help, and now we have a bullish one. Okay, let's wait. There was a loss of, I don't know, $100, something like that. We can actually check that. $112. That's all right. Okay, so let's see if we push higher into this 50.90, or we will actually drop to 70. So I'll leave it. If we drop to 70, we drop to 70. I'm not gonna get in there. On a second try, I had my first try. Well, to be honest, this kind of trades, you are selling this level immediately, because you know that market will pull a little bit. If I see that, I can short this for a little scalp. It's a couple of points, really, like 84 to 84 points. That's it. And what we're trying to do here is trade ICT silver bullets trade. So that will be ICT. ICT silver bullet trade. That's gonna be okay. Let's make it red because we're expecting it's a short. I'm gonna wait for that 90 to be traded at some point, or 87, somewhere here. And yeah, so our bias was bearish on the day but bullish on AM session. So far this is working. We made some money here. Let's place the order. We were shorting. Let's just quickly have a look. We were shorting 50.82. Is that correct? Oh, we just closed 50.82. I think we closed. Sell 50.81.50. 50.81.50, 50.81.50, and we closed with a loss at 52 something. 52.25. 52.25. Okay. It's all right. Cool. Market is holding. Most likely it will. So the gap is closed. I don't need to watch this now here like that. I want to push into 70, 87, and 90, and then 92. Let's see if there's anything else. 95, somebody's hoping to get. Big boys buying basically from open. From 2, that's 9 o'clock. This is London time. Okay. So let's wait till this 92 trades. I'm gonna just pause this video here. So I will place a sell order for one at 92.5. We have a little bit more, 95 now. So let's see. I'm just gonna place this now just to maybe just go free. Let's see if we're gonna if we'll get there. 92, 95. Market is trying. Think about it, like market gap down, we close this gap and we're just pushing higher. Nvidia, Apple back up, Microsoft coming back up. What happened? What just happened? Are you telling me? A minute? No. I don't know why we have this signal. I'm not in a position. Nineteen past. Still climbing up here. I think this might take a while. Pause the video. Yeah, they did pull here, lower. I'm thinking little scalp. Let's see. 270. At least 75. Well, I'm not gonna get 75 because this trapped. That's a scalp now. That's not ICT, guys. I mean, there is a ICT fair value gap here, which I'm entering, but because I sealed liquidity out here, we should travel to 70, to be honest. So somewhere here, let's say somewhere here. And I'm gonna be getting out one by one. The moment we break the low, I'm getting out one. My stop loss is break even right now, plus one tick, and I'm holding the rest. So the entry was at the fair value gap on 1 minute. There's a second leg down. Hopefully we will travel to 70 to, yeah, somewhere here. That will be great trade. Kind of like a scalpy trade, but technically speaking, my stop loss should be up here, but I don't want to give them anything. So I took a. The beauty of taking partials is you take something, and then yes, you can put your stop loss higher. At least you paid for your stop loss. So your stop loss has been paid, but the trick is here that market can come back into this fair value gap, especially after taking that liquidity. So I'm not sure if I'm not going to take another partial, especially that I see this 1590, and most likely we'll get there. At some point, but first probably 75. 75. Let's take one here at 70, 76, 75. Well, yeah, once we take the low. Once we take the low. This is purely off bookmap trading now. It's kind of a combination of ICT, small move to the downside. We are expecting market to come back up here again. Might happen, might not happen, but I think it will happen. But I want to grab a couple of points. Yeah, 72 wants to be traded, so I might actually lower my can actually lower my target as I can see more and more liquidity coming down there. Whoever was shorting this will be getting. Okay, we have another fair value gap. 72. Let's go to 70. We are at 75 right now. 74. 76. 75. And boom. We took one. Let's get a little bit more. Get, yeah, somewhere here. It will be, they will front run this thing. We should go through that level. Come on. To the tick. God damn it. Okay, let's wait for another push. Level is 70, we are at 73, so now we're gonna get a push. But I don't want to be on this level here. I do not want to be on this level. Because here we got first trapped shorts that they will be getting out. Come on, push for it. Alright. So that was our trade. I'm gonna switch into 5 minutes now. That's a decent drop. This liquidity at 1590 still wants to be traded, but it looks like a breakaway. So, according to ICT, we should get back somewhere here. Maybe, and then we're gonna go lower. Or another option is we'll go up here. Take all the stops from the top. And push through that into 1992. Sorry. There we go. Into 90 and 92. Do I want to buy this? I should have bought it immediately after a drop like this. You can scalp. But let's focus on ICT trade. So yes, that was a kind of short-term ICT scalp based on 1 minute fair value gap. Here we entered a trade. It was a short trade where we entered this trade somewhere here at this level. Let's just check to be 100% sure. Sell 81.25. 81.25, yeah, that's correct. And we were covering on the way down. Take profit 72.50. 72.50. $72.50.
Protect your trades from macro headline risks.
78.
Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
50. Okay. And there was another one that we took immediately, 782. That doesn't make sense because all of the trades that we took, that was a 74, 75, 74, 75. Yeah, more like that. So how much we made on this scalp? Let's quickly have a look. 400, 300, and 137. That's like 800. That's good. All right, so we traded back into this very value gap. The question now is, are we gonna get there or not? We might not get there. We went quite deep on this push here. All right. That was a good entry, but we have been busy doing this stuff. How about 2 minutes? Yeah, 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, so let's say we're gonna just say short 3 contracts. So we know we did that. This liquidity here, it will attract price higher, I think. That's what I think. That's why I'm not convinced yet to short this one more time. I mean, that was a good short here. A lovely short. But I still think we're going to go to 75, 80, 85. Like a temporary shorts. We'll see. I'm going to pause this video and we'll come back in, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, maybe 15. So yes, we have dropped here. This 1590 is still waiting. Market is buying out the fair value gap. And to be honest, I'm thinking to go long. As we are holding this fair value gap, so I will go long on one contract here at this fair value gap. It's a bullish fair value gap. My stop loss will be below. And we'll see if we continue high or not. There's 3 more minutes on this period. And if we do, there is a possibility we're going to push into this level and 1590. So while I'm waiting for my short from 1590, I will go long 68. Just one contract now. Market is bullish. We are going based off that fair value gap. Market is holding. This one 5 minutes as well. Market is holding. We're pushing higher. I like that. Alright, volume is following the price. And let's see now what's gonna happen. 75, 77 waiting to be traded. Hmm. 1 minute on this period. We'll have an injection of liquidity. Up or down? But I think up. It's looking better. 30 seconds. If we switch to 1 minute, just to observe this. Fair value gap on 1 minute. Next candle is important. I will bring this to break even. And if we drop lower at this point, we're gonna go lower. But I don't want to risk of holding this and then market will decide to take that low and continue lower, because they can do that. Let's just have a look on this one. Yeah, they could just continue to the to this area, but I don't see liquidity below, so that's a sell side. That's a sell side. Minor sell side liquidity. RTH. This is RTH. Top, left, bottom. Nice push. Create a fair value gap here in 3 minutes. Market is clearly trying to reach this 50.90. I'm just gonna hold this one contract. 75 till 85. That's another 10 points. Tempted to add perhaps of that fair value gap here. Let's see if we can catch it. It's 8 o'clock London time. Okay, so we have not got that. It's 8 o'clock London. This is 3 p.m. New York time. And now we should get a push into 50.90.92. Alright, stop loss, break even, plus 1 tick to pay for commission. The risk removed from this trade. And our target is pretty much here, but I'm gonna close this here, as I know market likes to front run every single level. They're gonna front run, so 85 it's realistic. catch that very quickly. That's the fair value gap, the bearish one that we have been traded. We're shorting from that. So it was like a scalp here, but it was a decent scalp. 81 to 72, that was 10 points. Could have taken a little bit more than that. So yeah, this was good entry as well, as we have created a fair value gap here. And now we're already sitting 11 points, and market is pushing towards 85 to 90, 87. So I want to close 85.25. Yeah, let's just close into it. If I had two contracts, if I added here, then I'll close one here and I could keep the other one. Or push through 90. But because I have only one, then I'll close it here. As I know, market likes to front run any level. And the level is 86.50, 85.25, so we're gonna take 85. I just need one tick more. Somebody's trying to front run it. 85, 84. Up to 87, possible. Squeeze. Up to 87, 85. Somebody's waiting at 85, just like me. I am a part of this liquidity. We're gonna pull down, I think. Pull this liquidity lower. Buy it at 75. And then try one more time. So I think alright, that liquidity is gone. Tug of war right now. Okay, experience tells me get out. Get out because it can go both ways. And if it goes we got in, where was that? Somewhere here. We got out somewhere here. And what we can do, we can play the same trade, try to get it basically cheaper. Just wait for the little pullback to 75, 72 even, because won't tick above, because it's just a struggle here for market. I mean, to be honest, this could be even that. This could even be this. To be honest, we'll see. but 72, bottom of this candle, come down and grab the liquidity one more time, and then we're gonna go higher. Also, if we drop a Fibonacci on this micro level, that's the 70%, 62%. So this is discount area. Anything below, it's a discount area. So we might try to catch this in this area. And if it goes up, that's okay. We already took profit here, so we wanted to take profit here, 3 points higher. That's okay. What we are looking for is to short this market once we push through this liquidity. And sorry. And once we push through this liquidity, get up here to 92, that could be a great trade. Short. Into the close. So let's wait. I'm going to pause this video here. Okay, so market is trying to push higher. Not enough liquidity down here. We are out. We got out here. That's fine. So we're slowly pushing into this 1590. this will not be valid long anymore if we push into that. So I'm waiting. 8:17 London time. That's 3:17 New York time. Big boys are buying 4,889. So we are at the highest mark of the day for this cumulative delta. Street is buying as well. Everybody buys. All right, okay. So the patience would pay. That was lack of patience. Well, I really thought we're gonna pull a little bit here, then we're gonna go. They have not done that. That's okay. We're getting ready for our short. Boom. The level is breaking. 95. And let's see what they're going to do around here. I'm going to pause this video now. There you go. Squeezing. Trying to push through this 1982. Sorry, 1992. Let's see how this is going to work. It is 3:20 p.m. Somebody's waiting at 102. There you go. So it is the lesson for me. Once you're in a good trade, hold it. But to be honest, if I added here, I would have closed one here and I could keep the other one. But I had only one trade here, one contract. So I'm gonna wait and see. 100, what was it? 100, 102? What's so special about 102? Switch into RTH. $59, so look at that. That was 10 points more to take. I took 11 and that was 10 more. 10 handles. Big boys 5,229. The highest mark of the day. And we have today, let's not forget that, earnings. Who's reporting today? Forgot. Alphabet, Intel, Microsoft. So once we take that liquidity, are we gonna take that short or not? That's a question mark. Into the earnings of Google, Microsoft, and Intel. Probably not. So yeah, that was a good trade. Five more minutes on this period. Push through, grab liquidity, and then we'll see. So let's wait. Pause the video. Okay, so market climbed to this 5090 and we have two fair value gaps, bearish ones on 2 minute. What's on 3 minute? On 3 minutes, bullish one. 5 minute, bullish one. So let's wait. We are negating this 5 minute fair value gap. Are we? That was a okay, that was a 30 minutes candle. So we are taking the liquidity from 30 minutes. No, I'm wrong. Here's the 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the 15 minutes candle here. Have I missed the opportunity? Going short at the wrong place, but this is, well, don't know if this is a good idea, to be honest. I chased that. I did chase this. It'd be ridiculous. A bit ridiculous. I see this 80 level. possible push. Okay, let's wait for that to drop even lower. That's the problem, that liquidity up here. We might push into it. Okay, so we took the profit.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Anyway, so that was it. I think I'm just gonna pause here and maybe we'll watch the last 5 minutes. The reason why I closed the trade here, it was because of the liquidity that I see here at 92, which can be again traded at some point. So that's the problem. I chased it, so I think we got in somewhere here. We closed here. Just grab a little scalp really, but that was the entry. Maybe this one, if you wanted to go, but not always. Liquidity is traded. You might stay here and it will not be traded, especially that we have 10 more minutes. So I'm gonna pause this video and see what we're gonna do. Okay, let's watch this last 3 minutes. So we still have the liquidity up there.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our...
And let's see. We're gonna push this up, push into this liquidity. Oh, we'll drop. I'm not gonna take more trades. It's too late. Last 3 minutes. We can see that the liquidity at 92, it's no longer as thick as it was. Last minute, 15 seconds. let's see what's gonna happen. Microsoft, Intel. Who was? Microsoft, Google, and Intel, and Roku. Okay. Empty. We have Microsoft. Microsoft is pumping already. Alphabet is waiting.
Mobile eye revenue $239 million, and they see their Q2 revenue at 12.5 to $13.5 billion, below the prior estimate of $13.63 billion, so a miss on forward guidance revenue from Intel.
Microsoft is pumping. Alphabet is just sitting here. Probably we didn't have earnings yet. Let's look at Intel. What Intel? Oh, okay, missed revenue on Intel. That's what I heard. Market is squeezing 50, 57, 97.
And so no signs of Alphabet yet, but seeing Microsoft earnings come through now. The EPS is $2.94. So that is a beat on estimate of $2.83. Revenues a beat as well at $61.9 billion on estimates of $60.87 billion. Productivity revenue, that's a beat at $19.57 billion on estimates of $19.54 billion. Intelligent cloud revenue for Microsoft is also a beat at $26.71 billion on estimates of $26.25 billion. Personal computing revenue a beat at $15.58 billion on estimates of $15.07 billion. So again, beats across the board from Microsoft there, and their shares are gaining over 5%.
So you heard it, 5%. Look at that.
Alphabet earnings have also hit the wires as well, so their EPS is a beat at $1.89 on estimates of $1.53. Revenues are beat at $80.54 billion on estimates of $79 billion. Other bets revenue $495 million, it's a beat on estimates of $372 million. Google Ads revenue a beat as well, $61.66 billion, estimates of $60.18 billion. Operating income a beat at $25.47 billion on estimates of $22.4 billion. Google Ads revenue at $8.09 billion. That's a beat on estimates of $7.73 billion. Google Cloud revenue a beat as well, $9.57 billion on estimates of $9.37 billion. So Alphabet have declared a cash dividend of 20 cents a share as well now. And also their first quarter revenue ex-TAC is $67.59 billion. That's a beat on estimates of $66.07 billion. Alphabet shares jumping 11% following declaring the cash dividend there, and their revenues beating estimates.
There you go. Let's just short this. One contract. Little scalp. Push. Alright. We'll get out somewhere here. Okay, so they did sold everything into this liquidity up there. And there wasn't much liquidity, to be honest, on the book map, so let's look at this pullback. Are we gonna drop now? Should get a little bit of relief from that big push. But I don't want to overstay my welcome here. I think I did already. Maybe not. Maybe we can pull it. Maybe we can pull this down a little bit. Okay, I overstay my welcome. Okay, we got some selling. That's good.
And so post-market trade here, S&P 500 extending gains up to 1% now.
Just get out from this. No point to stay. Okay. That's it, guys. That was a trap trader from London. And we have been trading ICT mainly, mainly setups. So see you tomorrow. Take care. Like and subscribe.